Welcome to the in front of me BLACKVIEW A70, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll try to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the just fingerprint scanner works here so fast. We can so fast unlock the device, and I'll just simple touch it, as you can see. So I'll lock the device, and just right now I'll make this simple touch. So one more time, let's try it. So as you can see, that's so simple to do. I suggest you to try the fingerprint scanner unlock the fingerprint unlock method, but be careful with it, because the fingerprint is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.